Hi there and welcome. A while back I bought a big bag of wild-caught salmon, and quite frankly I'm getting pretty sick and tired of salmon, and I thought for a moment, what can I do differently with this? And then I had that little aha moment. Bacon. As they say, everything is better with bacon, right? So we're going to season these up, wrap them up in bacon, and pop them into the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. With that, let's go ahead and get started. All right, we are ready to get started on our salmon. I have 2 sockeye salmon fillets, some slices of bacon, and in here I have some Old Bay seasoning, which is what I'm going to use today to season these up. You can use whatever you like. I went ahead and rinsed these fillets off and patted them dry. Now I'll go ahead and season up these fillets with the Old Bay seasoning on both sides. Now we are ready to wrap the salmon up with our bacon. Looks like I'm going to need 2 slices for each fillet. Now I'll finish wrapping up the last one and then we'll pop these into the air fryer. I'm going to take a toothpick and secure that bacon so it doesn't come unwrapped. We are ready to pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 380 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Once this bacon is done, I'm taking the salmon out of the air fryer. I will not be flipping these. I will let you know exactly how long this took. All right, I am back. I plated one of these up. I just have some Italian cut green beans here. This took exactly 12 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And remember, I did not flip these over. Give you a closer look here. Normally, I wouldn't be using a knife, but we have this bacon that we need to cut into. Struggling with my lighting today. I'm trying to give you a better look here on what we have going on. All right. Goodness, that bacon takes this salmon to a whole new level. It is delicious. The salmon is cooked perfectly. So if you're tired of the same old salmon, definitely give this a try. That was really good. I hope you do give this a try sometime. I really don't think you're going to regret it. And if you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more you can check out next. Stay safe, everyone. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.